Hey guys, welcome back, and this is going to be an incredible video. I've got an awesome lifetime deal for a software that's called Relaythat. Now I'm going to walk you through what the software can do, and then I'm actually going to give you a demo, take you a look inside one of my test accounts as well, to show you all of the amazing features that this has. Um, this is, as you can see, it's a one-stop shop for all visual creation needs. So you can say goodbye to Photoshop, you can say goodbye to Canva. You can literally create, 5 times as many images in about a fifth of the time. So it's truly an incredible, really powerful software. And as you can see here, there's a lifetime deal offered by Dealify.com, $59 one time. And then here are just some of the features here. You can create branded images that are automatically resized. This is actually huge. So if you need the same picture for your Facebook page banner, your Twitter post or your Twitter header, your YouTube thumbnail, your YouTube header, and your blog post header, you can literally just resize whatever image you're working with in one click. So for banners, ads, social media, whatever you need. They also have access to 3 million royalty-free images with no usage fees or additional costs. So they have a huge library that you can use for your images with amazing photos, and you don't have to pay out of pocket for anything like Pexels or Unsplash or Pixabay or any of those services. It all comes integrated into their platform. You can also curate libraries of the top performing color and font combinations, so you're never going to run out of design ideas. If you're not particularly a design oriented person, that's no problem. They've got you covered. They actually have all of these great color and font combinations for you to use. So they've got a little bit of an intro video there, as you can see. So here's just a visual example here. So one click to resize all images. It's literally, guys, one click just to go from this to this to this and all around. It's truly incredible. You could even, just as a quick note, you could even sell this as a service on Fiverr.com. People can submit their images and you can say, hey, I'll resize them to any, dimensions that you need. They don't have to know that you're using the software, so that's an incredible way to use it as well. Yeah, this is just a little bit of a idea of what the platform looks like. I'll be taking you inside, like I said. They've got lots of great color combinations, as I was mentioning earlier. Really just a supreme software that is really incredible to use, very smooth, very easy to use. This is actually a great thing too. So it includes an image SEO. So you don't have to actually go into your image and click on properties to put in your keywords, because that actually helps with SEO. It actually helps index it into Google and can possibly rank as well. They actually have that integrated as well. So you just pop in your keywords and your image, once you download it, already has all that in it and is SEO optimized. Now, if you're not great with copywriting or what to actually put on your images, they actually have a headline generator, which saves a huge amount of time if you have writer's block. And they have all these kinds of headlines that you can use. You just plug in your topic or your keyword or whatever it is, and you're good to go. So yeah, and you can see here they've got an incredible rating, top 20 of Capterra, best value, best ease of use, 4.5 on average. You can see here a lot of 5-star reviews. Say goodbye to Photoshop. That's one of the huge features of this. Easy batch creation of social posts. So if you've got Facebook posts that you want to create your images for the next month, for the next 30 days, you could literally do that in 20 minutes. So let's take you inside the dashboard. This is what it looks like inside of the platform. This is just one of my test accounts. You can see here they've got a lot of preset layouts that you can work with in your workspace here. Let's just go with the first one here and see what it looks like. So it's going to create a new workspace for me. Give that a chance to load up. So this is where I'm going to be working with my image. So here's a sample layout that they have for me. I'm just going to kind of walk you through the different features. So you can see here on the right hand side, the way that you can interact with different elements on the image is super easy. So if I want to take this picture out, I just click on that, give it a chance to load, and it takes the image out. If I want to put it back in, I just click that little box and, oops, did it again. There we go. And we put it back in. So you can see all these elements, it's the same idea. So the text, the colors as well. So if I wanted to take out that gray bar at the bottom, I could take that out, or I could put it back in. I could also change the colors if I wanted to. And the text here on the right hand side, you can see here, is really easy. They've also got all of these great, look at these great posts that you could have right away. All you have to do is click on it and it automatically updates it. So if I click on that, boom, there's another image. I could literally at the top right hand corner here just click download and I'd have another image ready to go. If I wanted a third image with one of these great presets, I just click on that one and boom, there it is. There's another image. This one actually looked pretty good too. And there's another image. That would be 4 images we literally created in less than a minute. So you can imagine how many you can create in 20 minutes or an hour. Now up here at the top left hand corner, you can see here they've got different presets for social. So there's a square post, wide post, you can do Pinterest pins, a YouTube thumbnail, Twitter header, YouTube header, whatever you can think of here, even a Patreon cover and stuff for your LinkedIn as well. Now for Pinterest, this is actually really, really useful. You could literally create your entire month's pins in less than an hour, probably about 20 minutes if you played with the software and got really fast with it. So incredible. You can also do it for ads, for print, and then they've got others as well, like blog posts and video stills. You could also upload your own images here. So if you have images that you want to work with, you can upload those here. This is the images section. So if I want to use any of these images, they're all free. I can use them as I see fit. All I have to do is drag them over, and boom, I've got another new image that I can work with, and you can see how amazing it looks, crisp, clear. If I press download, that's another image, literally 5 images in a few minutes. So really incredible, and you can search here for different kinds of images, 3 million images that they have. You've also got icons and different things like that. So they've also got fonts, different fonts that you can work with. So you can kind of play around with that. This is the color schema that we talked about earlier. So maybe I wanted to go with the koi pond color schema. It kind of changes it there. You could also go with corn maze and see if that works better for your particular brand. Forest Festival, you can see here that changes it. Mini lipstick, bold caution. That stands out really well. You can use that image if you want. And they've also got different titles here. So if you click on industry, so let's say, you know, secrets is a great one because that's often used in copywriting. So cracking the secret code, exposing the truth about, give me a few minutes and I'll give you the truth about. You can just literally click on these and add it to your image if you don't know, you know, if you're getting writer's block or if you have no idea what to add. Now, here's a really neat feature that they have, and it's called Magic Import. So let's say you have a blog post that you want to promote, whether it be yours or someone else's. You could literally just copy and paste the URL into here and create an image from that post like magic. So I'll show you an example. Here's a blog post from Making Sense of Sense. It's a famous finance blog, and I'm just going to copy the link address of this article, How to Sell Printables Online and Make Money as a Beginner. Then I'm going to go back in here, paste my link, and load it. Then it's going to actually pull up the images that are in the blog post article in that specific URL. As you can see here, there they are, as well as the text. And I'm just going to click import. And it'll take some time as it does its work in the background, but what it's essentially going to do is plug my images, plug the images from my blog post URL into the images that we were working with. So if I go back to Square Post here, you can see here everything is completely changed around into these presets. So if I wanted to promote that blog post, here's an image that's been created for me automatically. You can see all the different kinds of designs. All of these would work great for your blog posts or your pins. Pinterest is an amazing source of traffic that a lot of people use. And you can see how amazing these images look, and you literally have all of these ready to go, one click, and you can download those to your computer. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. This is Relaythat. And if you click the link below in the description, you can get access to a lifetime deal. Normally there's a fee every month. I believe it's at least about 25 bucks a month. But with this, instead of $300 for the year, which is, they have differences between annual and monthly billing, you can literally get it for $59 one time and have it for your business for life. So this is an amazing deal. I highly suggest that you pick this up, because you can use it for all of your projects. You can use it for freelancing. You can use it to sell it as a service. You can use it to get traffic. You can use it to rank. It's truly an incredible software, and why not for a lifetime deal, right? So click the link below in the description and you can grab this lifetime deal for 59 bucks one time. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.